Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and I'm so excited to bring you this model. It's from the brand called DOOGEE, and this time we have DOOGEE VMax. And before I review the DOOGEE V30 and the V20 and a lot of models, Roger models, this one I think is it's one of the most special one, because this time they have a new series. I mean the DOOGEE VMax, and it's the 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. And why I call it special, because this time the first time they used the max. This was the max, so we can really expect it. What is the stand for the DOOGEE VMax? And also this time they use the traditional classical yellow box and very simple design, tray and cover and tray design. And next I'm going to unbox it and have a quick unbox video and quick talk on the specification about this mode. The next, whoa, let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside this, and let's see what the DOOGEE VMax looks like. And now, after we open the box, whoa, the DOOGEE VMax just in front of us. It's IP68, IP69K, and meter stand 810H. So this is the DOOGEE VMax. Let's put it aside first, and then let's go to the other accessories and stuff first. So after we get out the smartphone, we have a limited warranty. It's about the warranty, and it's the SAR value specification. So it's SAR is some kind of things that will affect your health. So this is the SAR value specification with certification information, high SAR. So it's, if they got this, it means that it's in a very scientific range. Yeah. Also, this is a screen and screen protected accessories, like the other models they also provide, and also the user manual, the DOOGEE user manual. Thanks for choosing DOOGEE product. Yeah, these are the stuff inside this. And here under the papers we got that is the this is the cable. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable they provide, black color. It's the it's used the normal material. And then got a charger, and this time the provider 33-watt fast charging for this model DOOGEE VMax. So I think this is this all stuff inside this, and nothing left. And next, let's go to check the smartphone. So now, whoa, now the DOOGEE VMax smartphone is in front of us. First, the peel of the screen. Whoa, now I can really feel that why they call it VMax, because it's really heavy. Yes, it's the size is bigger than I thought. Whoa. Okay, let's pull the screen protector away aside, and then let's remove this label, the DOOGEE VMax. Let's remove this label. Whoa. Okay. Peel it off, then remove this label. Whoa, now the smartphone DOOGEE VMax is in front of us. Whoa, it's really big. And for DOOGEE, this smartphone brand, they focus on the Roger phones and do some special phones product, like I think to do the modular phones, Roger phones, gaming Roger phones, and very big battery Roger phones. But this time, I think just provide a monster, a battery monster. This is the DOOGEE VMax. And why call it max, I think, because it's the battery, because this time it's have a largest battery capacity in the world. It have a 22,000 big batteries. This is amazing. I think this should apply for the Guinness record because it's really very big. And also we can find from this angle that it's very, very thick. Yeah. From the offshore information that the length of this motor is 178.5 mm, and the width is 83.1 mm, and about thickness, it's amazing. It's reached to maximum 27.3 mm. So this is a very, very thick, very big size smartphone, and also its weight very heavy. It's around 233 grams, equal to 8.4 ounces. So this is a very big size and very heavy phones. So it's also why they have the 23,000 big batteries inside this main body of this smartphone body. And the one thing I mentioned that before is, besides big batteries and big size and heavy weight, this phone is also a flagship. They use a flagship specification radar device, because for this time DOOGEE used the latest MediaTek Dimensity 1080, 5G processor, a 6 nanometers processor. Also for the GPU, they use the G80. I think it's the GPU is G68. Yeah, so this is perfectly nice. And also for the battery, and the 22,000 batteries, you can get to amazing 2,300 standby times. And also if you use this normal use, you get 7 days better life, and you can experience get outdoor 7 days outdoor experience. So this is pretty nice. It's equal to 7 times iPhone 14 Pro's battery. So this is amazing. And next, we go to the specifications and talk them one by one. Yeah, the first about design. I think it's very, very similar to the DOOGEE V30. The 5G was the first eSIM card supported 5G device. Like this era, the camera zoom, same. It's a V. Yeah, it's a V mantle here, and also the battery. Also the camera layout is also same, and also the design, the back cover design also same. But just one thing changed here is they use the kind of, it looks like a leather material, leather feelings, but actually I think it's plastic, not the real material, leather material. And also the framework, and also the front side, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 dual speakers. It's almost same design like DOOGEE V30, and also they use the wardrobe screen, and this also the same design like DOOGEE V30. And first, this is about design. The only one thing changes is that it becomes more thick than DOOGEE V30, because the battery actually is almost 2 times. So this is the biggest change about design compared to the last generation DOOGEE V30. And besides the design, we can talk about batteries, because this time the battery is really amazing. It's gonna have 22,000 big batteries, and from the offshore website we found that it can get 2,300 hours standby time, and it's also supported the it can also support 33-watt fast charging, and it also supports the reverse charging, so you can use this as a wireless and capable power bank for your mobile phones, or if you use this as a backups, and it will get 160 hours navigation, 40 hours video playing, and 25 hours gaming. So this is yeah, main specification you get, and also 109 hours calling and lot of and 30 hours reading. So this is pretty cool for the huge power bank. I can call it a huge power bank. Yeah, yes, you can use it as a huge power bank. It's equal to iPhone 7, iPhone 14s. So this is pretty cool. And also this time they use the MediaTek Dimensity 1085G Roger D1 chips. So it's also efficiency, energy saving, and efficiency, high efficiency chips. So yeah. Now we can peel it the screen protector, and we can we cut the smartphone and go to the settings to check the specifications about this device. We go to the settings and about device. About the smartphone here. So these are the main specifications about this device. VMax, find that. Actually no chips information, but actually this time they use the 5G MediaTek Dimensity 5G 1080, the 6 nanometers chips, and also it's have support maximum to 2.6 gigahertz. It's very high performance chips from MediaTek, and also it's a fast and efficient 5G connections. It's got fast speed, good reach, and sure very good 5G experience. And also about the RAM and ROM, we can find it here. It's our 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM, but also besides this 12 GB RAM, it also can get expanded 8G RAM with a virtual, I can enjoy a smooth experience. And also about the RAM and totally 20 Hz, and about the ROM. Sorry, I think it's totally 20 gigabyte RAM. Yes, and it's about also have a 256 gigabyte ROM, and with actually it can also extend it to 2 TB. We use the micro SD. You can get over in stores 20,000 apps and 100 photos or 10,000 music. So it's also a big batteries for can meet your daily life use. And besides this, about the speed of processor is over. This time they also use the Alpha 6. It's a new standard for speed, right? You can get up to 3.6 GB by bps, and the lightning fast download speed. This is also pretty good. And also it can support L1, L5 dual bearing GPS. It can you can use it experience the greatest GPS experience. So this is about the specification about the processors. And also next we can go to the camera part, because this time it's have the very similar camera design like the DOOGEE V30, and also the specification about the camera is also very similar. And for the main one, it's have a 108 megapixel Samsung main camera. It's f1.8 aperture, and also the 20 megapixel Sony IMX350 night vision, and also it have a 60 megapixel wide angle and macro lens. And as for the front one, it have a 32 megapixel front camera. So this is the camera certification to use. And also we turn on the we can get example here. We can take it to the camera interface, and then we can take some pictures here. Like it's the normal one, 110, 108, and also we can go to the about 10 times zoom. Also we can here is wide angle. Yeah, no, so we can go to the front one. Yeah, this is about the front. Focus on here. Yeah, also check the. So next I will show this all these photo samples at the end of the videos, and also about this we can go to check the Pro mode. The Pro mode with 108 megapixel Pro mode, it can provide a professional grade cameras in mega moment, and it supports autofocus lock, and it can get OIS algorithm blasting shoot steady videos, and also it have a 4K video shootings. So this is pretty nice. We can go to the videos here. Video quality. Yeah, now they can choose, and actually here is the 4K, support 4K video shooting. So this is very nice when you use this smartphone. Take it as your first as your backup smartphone, and then when you go outside you can use this to shoot outdoor videos. Very nice. And also besides this, it have also support HDR. Yeah, it support HDR as well here, and also you can find a lot of things we can adjust here. You can support HDR and also night mode. Night vision here. It's night vision pictures. Yes, when we use night vision, you can also get gray, black, or white colors. So night vision, but actually it's very useful when you use this in the pure dark environment, and also it can get very nice selfie pictures. So this is about the camera part, and also about the screen. And if you can see, now let's go to the home page. It's a wardrobe screen, and it's also use the it's also support the Full HD plus display resolution, and also the screen is 6.58 inch water screen. It has a very reviewed display performance, and also it's a larger device, so it supports the Corning Gorilla Glass Fire protection. And one thing I should mention is that it's a large device, but actually for the game users, they did something good. Actually, for the refresh rate here, we can adjust the refresh rate here, because this time it support maximum to 120 Hz ultra high refresh rate. So this is pretty good for the gamers. Yeah, so this is pretty nice. And also this is about the main information about this device. The DOOGEE VMax is pretty big and heavy smartphones. It's about the camera, the very simple design, corner enhanced, similar to larger, actually not the feelings back cover, and the framework enhanced by metal buttons, power buttons, volume buttons, also the customized buttons, the stop to protect SIM card, or the stop to protect charging port. Also, okay, I think it's about the speakers. This time they also have the parts that high-res speakers. So these are the main information about this device from DOOGEE. And thanks for watching, and let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. I think next time I will compare it to the DOOGEE V30, and we will do some night vision and IP68 and Roger test for the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.